presentation, an update on the security situation and how far the mission has gone. And therefore my impression is positive, and that's why I was here appreciating and applauding all of those who have, in one way or the other, participated in this mission, which started 17 years ago as AMSOM, now it is ATMIS. A number of actors have participated, including the federal government of Somalia. So the achievements are quite great, and I appreciate them because you will see the number of new towns that have been liberated. That's a huge achievement, and I'm here to join the team to continue, but this time around to continue implementing the transition mission into the new mission that will be in place after 31st of December. The impression is positive, it's good, and I'm coming as a team player, but I'm a team captain since now I'm the head of the security of the military, working together with the police and the civilian component, of course, under the leadership of His Excellency the Ambassador, the RCC, and his deputy, to continue supporting the federal government of Somalia in capacity building, so that at some point when we leave, then they are in a position to take care of the affairs of their people. Here to support the government, the federal government of Somalia, on behalf of the people of Somalia. You cannot separate the two, because the government of Somalia is there on behalf of the people of Somalia. So when we are supporting anybody who sees us supporting the federal government of Somalia should know that we are supporting actually the people of Somalia. And I welcome all of them to work together with us, so that our mission is one, is to make sure that Al-Shabaab is degraded, that peace prevails in Somalia, and so that Somalis can engage in serious production and development. So that's my message is to welcome everyone to work with us, so that we all pacify Somalia for production.
Soldiers up! Stand still! General sir, that marks the end of your inspection. May I have permission to carry on the guard of honor?